everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts. I'm going to be doing, which I'm hoping is going to be a simple one today. So I got one of these picture frames from Dollar Tree. And what I plan on doing is just making a cute little spring summer craft. And I am going to, well, first of all, I'm going to take this out of here, I think. Pop that out. And then I'm going to use some of these rub-on transfers on this frame. I was going to paint the frame, but I'm thinking it'll look better if I just leave it in natural wood. So I'm going to take these out of here, and then I am just going to kind of randomly place these on here. Gosh, you know, I'm almost thinking I should probably cut them out separately. So let's put this back on here. And get my scissors out. And I'm just gonna start cutting random ones off of here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them on my frame. And I'm not gonna put them on there in any specific pattern or anything. I'm just gonna start picking and choosing and just putting them on there. So let's see how this works. Let's see, you gotta rub pretty hard to get that off of there. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so let's see, what else can we put on there? How about one of these? Yeah, there's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just gonna start putting them on here and we'll just see how it looks. I just wanted to come up with a quick little easy craft instead of everything always seems to take so long. I know it's you guys watch the videos and it's oh, that was easy and quick, but some of them really do take a while to actually make. So let me cut a couple more out and get some placement on here and see where I'm gonna put them. Okay, so I'm just putting them on there and just putting them on there randomly and peeling them off. We'll just see how it looks. I accidentally, oh, a little bit of that one came off, accidentally got it on my fingers and stuck it to my counter. It kind of fell off the protective sheet and yeah, stuck to my counter right away. So I think, I don't know, I have a few left here, but I'm thinking I'm just going to try to fill in the extra spaces with some of the other ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub on these that I have on here and we'll see what it's looking like after that. Okay, now that I have all my transfers on there where I decided to put them, I'm going to take a coat or take some Mod Podge and just to seal it in so it doesn't scratch off. So I'm probably going to put this on the whole front. I'm thinking about maybe sealing the sides too so it has a nice finish. Okay, my Mod Podge is all dry on there. And then what I'm going to do is I have this, I got this from one of the Dollar Tree calendars. And I'm going to just take the little card that this came on and I'm going to attach this to the card because I wasn't able to cut this big enough off the calendar. So I'm just going to stick a little bit of glue on here just to get it tacked down a little bit. And then this is going to go inside my picture frame. So I'm just gonna stick this in here. All right, that is done. Now, the only problem I have is this wording from the calendar is sticking out. So what I plan on doing is I'm gonna take some of this burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick it, I'm thinking, I don't want to go on the inside of it. I'm just gonna go on the outside of the frame, and that should hide the words pretty good. So I'm gonna stick a little hot glue on here and attach my ribbon, just kind of going up a little bit. I'm going like, I'm not putting it on the frame, just up a little bit from the frame. So tack this on in a couple spots so it stays in. And then snip that off. Oh, I probably should have snipped it off first. I might have to re-tack it down. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go up and do the sides and the top yet. All right, I think that looks pretty cute. All right, I'm gonna stick my little stand in here once. I'm gonna take a look at this. What I think I wanna do is I wanna take some of these flowers to put at the top of the frame, because I think it's just a little plain. I think it needs a little something. So I think I'm going to cut these. Let's see, probably gonna go right closer up to the middle. I'm gonna make sure I have my stems, make sure these are about the same. And then I am going to try to hot glue these onto my frame. So let's see how this works. Probably gonna have to hold that there for a little bit. All right, and then I am going to glue the other one on. Okay, then the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick a little twine bow up here just to cover up those stems there. So I've just been kind of fooling around with it, trying to shape it. So that is gonna go right there. That'll kind of disguise the stems. And I think that is gonna be about it. I'm gonna leave it right there. So you'll have to let me know what you think. I don't know, I think it turned out pretty cute. I think I might cut these a little bit yet. I think they're a little long. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I would love it if you subscribe and hit the bell, get notified when I upload, so you can see what else I have coming out in the future. Just thanks and take care. Bye.